So now you have completed this course. Many times I have a question from students that how do we download our certificate of completion? So for downloading your certificate of completion, there are few things you should keep in mind. The first thing is your name. So make sure your name is correct in Udemy records. So for that, you need to go to your profile and see that your name is correct there. Many times people have their email as their name, so you need to correct that. So let's see how it's done. So for that, you go to your profile, click here where it shows your picture, and then from there you see this pencil which is for edit profile. So okay, I click here to edit my profile, and these are 4 boxes which are related to your name. The first one is designation. In the designation, you don't put anything unless you want to put something like a doctor, engineer or something in front of your name. So I prefer my name to be just Sandeep Kumar in the certificate. So I left this designation as a blank. Many times I have seen students who have typed here designation. So what do they get in their certificate as a name is designation Sandeep Kumar. So your name is not designation Sandeep Kumar. My name is Sandeep Kumar. So I will delete this. So make sure this is deleted. Or if you want to put doctor, you can put DR, or if you want to put Mr., that's your choice. But I prefer to leave this blank. Then the next box is your first name. And this is the third box is your last name. And if you have a longer name, something, you can put here in these 2 boxes. So this box, the second box and third box in the sequence will be shown as your name on the certificate. This particular, the 4th box where I have said that quality manager and trainer, this doesn't go on the certificate. So make sure that you focus on that first 3 boxes and make sure that your name is correct. The problem is, you can correct this name before printing your certificate, but once you have printed off your certificate, then changing name could be difficult. You might need to go through Udemy help desk and get those corrected, but rather than going through that hassle, I will prefer that the name is correct from the beginning itself. Coming to the next part. How do I make sure that I have completed my course? So I go to this tab where I have a course which is 97% complete. If you see at the bottom, it shows that I have completed this course 97%. So I click on this and see what else is left out here. So at the top, you see there are 25 out of 26 published items I have completed. So there's 1 item left. And just on the right side, you see here is the link to get your certificate of completion. But it is gray at this time. So even if you click here, it doesn't work. If you go through lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, you see the green box, the green circle in front of that. The green circle means that I have completed this course. Many times you would see a half green. Half green means that you have started this course but not completed this course. Just in case if you get this half green, you open that lecture, mark as completed. So once I marked as completed, I go back to course. Now I would have completed 25 out of 26 published items. Still I have 1 item left to complete before I am able to publish my certificate. And this is lecture number 25. So I click on lecture number 25. This is a PDF file. I go through that and mark this as completed, and I go back to my course. So now I have completed all 26 items required for completing this course. So you can see here you completed 26 out of 26 published items. Once I have done this, now I will be able to print my certificate. It shows green here, either it shows green or yellow, whatever it shows. Click on that, and with that you will be able to download your certificate of completion. So here it is. Here I have certificate of completion. This is to certify that Sandeep Kumar has successfully completed how to create a high quality Udemy video training course. So now I can download this certificate by clicking a link. Here. I can download this certificate in the form of JPG or PDF. So I download this as PDF. And I can save it to my hard disk, or I can print it, or I can save it to my hard disk. I can download here. So that's how you get your certificate of completion. So let me close this. Another thing you can do here is you can share this certificate on your Facebook, on your LinkedIn profile. So let me click here on share, and I want to share this on my Facebook page. So I click here, and this goes to posting to Facebook. I don't want to say anything. I just want to share this certificate on my Facebook timeline. So if I go back to my Facebook, I can see that this certificate has been posted, that I have completed a course on how to create a high quality Udemy video training course. So that's about getting your name right, printing your certificate of completion, making sure that you have completed all the course items, and if something is missing, mark that as completed, and then you can download your certificate, share this on your Facebook, on your LinkedIn, or on your Twitter. So here I have another course which I have already completed 100%. So if I click on that, I can anytime look at my certificate, or I can share my certificate. So certificate is already available, so I can click here to get my certificate. So this was my second course, and same thing I can do here also. Want to download this or share this. So once again I'm reminding that before you press on print certificate button, make sure that your name is correct, and that name you can correct through editing your profile. And this you need to do before you publish your, or before you print your certificate of completion. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this course. And if you think that this course deserves a 5-star rating, go to the top right of the course. Let me show where it is. If you go to a course, here you have a write a review. So go to this write a review, and if you think this is a 5-star rating, give it a 5-star rating. Enter your title and put your comments why you like this course. I will really appreciate that, because just by doing that, this promotes my course to other people, so that other people would also be able to get benefit out of this course. And if you think there is anything else to be added, or if you have any question, post that question on this right side. Start a discussion, add a discussion. That way we can have this course more interactive. We can learn from each other. And with that, I thank you, and bye now.